kung atong unahon no, kung natay trabaho because that is part of the God's purpose, no. Ang atong trabaho is ginadream sa ubang tao nga walay trabaho. So unta ato ana siyang ayuhon og kanang paghimo, pagperform, because mostly no, daghan kayo itong mga kaigsuunan nga until now they are still dreaming of having this job. No, just try to look back when you are still applying at the BEP. No, pila ka book nag-apply from first stage until last stage, no, final. So kamo ang napili.
Our Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir.
Thank you, Kim. To our RCS, Senior Superintendent Fabri, regional staff, commission and non-commission officers, mayong buntag. Thank you very much for sharing, Pastor De La Cruz, for the enlightenment of our souls. This is, siguro, nanibago mo because mostly of our speakers are talking about improvements of our works, our self, but Pastor De La Cruz share to us spiritual guidance. Lead yun kaya na siya when we are in sa atuang sa katrabaho. So, kung atong unahon no, natay trabaho because that is part of the God's purpose, no. Ang atong trabaho is ginadream sa ubang tao nga walay trabaho. So unta ato ana siyang ayuhon og kanang paghimo, pagperform, no. Daghan kayo itong mga kaigsuunan nga until now they are still dreaming of having this job, no. So importante kay na siya. I just hope that there's still another speakers who talks the same, no, para ma-enhance ang ato ang kay wala man tay kuan, wala tay kanang chaplain or unsa diri na rumgit sa national. So before I still remember sa active pa si Pastor Humiliada, mo share gid siya sa ato bisan pila lang ka minutes every Monday flag raising, including si Bishop Villa Esther ba to? Nakalimot na ko. No, pero wala naman. No, unta nana siya because dili na siya langan o samukan mo, but it is really important sa ato ang self just to guide us how to perform well in our respective jobs. Our regional director was not around because today is the schedule of his interfacing sa mga Pan Marshal sa Lanao, including the courtesy call sa gobernador dito. And right after there, basin makaapas pa siya because today also is the opening of the enhancement training of the SRF para sa mag-facilitate sa ato ang Regional Fire Olympics. And part of those Regional Fire Olympics, no, the regional office will be having a team. That's why we are scouting players, no, especially females who are not SRF members to be part of those team. No, kay dili lang pirmero taga-atubang og computer, cellphones, no. So we have to show also to the lower units that even we are here in the office, we can still perform what the other firefighters do. No, dili kay naarata, no, sa mami practice. So that's why mag-practice, no. We are scouting, no, just kanang advance info. Mag-scout me to compose the team for the regional office for the rescue. I think 7 players ata ang need. So definitely one of you will be selected. So just be prepared. Magpa-condition mo daan because dol-dol na. And we will be having, dili mo isa lang diretso. We will be having a series of practice. No? Kay maulawan ta. Dapat kita mo'y mudaog. No? Pindiho na to ang lower units. Basig makaingon sila nga naarata sa regional office. Wala tayo practice. This is the first in Region 10 nga dunay UFC. Ultimate Firefighting Challenge ang tawag. No? So, first ni siya because ang second is Caraga when Sir Traji was still there, the RD. So, kita may kaduha. So, dapat ang regional office mo ay mudaw. I am confident because we have a lot of coaches coming from the NFO. No? Na nato si Senior Inspector Gaani. She can share a lot of techniques to perform. No? So, confident ko. Napay ato ang chairman sa support group, si Inspector Simbahon, no, ayuda na siya perme. So I am confident that we can compete with other teams. Daghan-daghan ni siya nga teams because ang city fire station nga dagko, they have also their own team. So another thing is during the regional fire Olympics, we will be for the officers na welcome dinner ata sa second day. We have also another set of competition nga gi-suggest ni RD, which is the hip hop dance and the kanang dance sport. So I know there are a lot of hidden talents sa inyo nga magawas lang kung makainom. Now it is your time to show to the other BFP personnel that you have that hidden talent, no? Inyo hanang ipagawas because that is part of the entertainment during the welcome dinner, no? But again, doon na sa corresponding prize, no? Separate lang siya, wala siya gi-appeal sa competition of points sa RFO, no? Hip hop dance, I know there are a lot of nakita nako during our RD's Cup last year, no? Grabe makahataw. So inyo na nang ipagawas karon. Nagsuggest gali ko nga hip hop dance for 40 below and 40 up because I know there are still lot of na mga talent dere bisag gasakit na ang kuan. No? Also the dance sport, no. Duha lang siya kay pair man pair so duha. So kung doon na mo'y namatikdan sa inyo ang mga kauban sa opisina nga medyo karapat dapat nga doon na kayo kanang gitawag nga hidden talent nga wala pa ma-discover. So kindly coordinate with our chairman, no, si ato ang chief operation and our Ardo for that purpose para maka-appeal og practice mintras layo-layo pa because we will not just contented with what unsara ato ang nakabot but we aim for the kanang first yun, no? Ato nang aim kay kung muligas ta, no? At least second runner up or first runner up but we should aim that champion. Okay? Doon natin mga series of activities for the tomorrow is the turnover of fire station, typical fire station sa Salay. So I don't know kung kinsa lay pang ubanon ni RD. And doon po tayo bisita next week. No, our former regional director, I don't know kung madayon. No? Chief Superintendent Apakahin. So I don't know kung kinsa ang kumpos sa iyang team nga mabisita din but just we prepare kung unsay mga documents ilang pangitaon. So par mao lang na. Again, thank you very much for attending this flag raising and have a blessed week ahead of us. Thank you.